Hi, I'm Elizabeth Novick, and I have lived in the Memphis area for about 30 years. Used to be a nurse, but now I play mostly tennis. We've owned this home for about 4 years. We moved in the summer of 2019. My driveway's got some dips in it, and there was also a crack above the garage, and the mortar was falling out. I discovered Redeemers Group because you're on TV a lot, and I saw the commercials for it. When they were here to look at my driveway, I asked them, "Do you do that?" And they said, "Well, as a matter of fact, we do." So, yeah. The crew was excellent. They're really good communicators and hard workers, and they were done well within the time frame that they gave me. I would say that they really seem to know exactly what they're doing. I would say that my most impressive encounter with Redeemers Group was when they came out and we sat down in my dining room and talked about the situation, and they just were really thorough in talking about everything that they were going to do and how they were going to do it, and it really made me feel comfortable with hiring them. And then the crew coming out to do the work was just icing on the cake. Would I recommend Redeemers Group to others? Absolutely, without question. I mean, you're the guys.